What's up everybody, it's Granning here and I'm playing with my sister. Introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm
What
Kay.
is why are you using your baby voice?
I'm not using my baby
Okay,
voice.
continue.
I'm biggest fan of
Biggest fan of
Enlighten.
fan?
Enlighten.
Okay, you're the big fan of Anapen. Okay, that's good.
My bias is
Okay,
Jake.
okay.
Jake, I will
Play.
be yours.
Okay, we're going to be playing Keep the Door Locked. I will be joining my sister who picked the game.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, everyone. You
Wait, my
guys ready?
warning. Warning, the game.
The game. We can do it. We can do it. It's fine. Play at your own risk.
Ano ba yung punta?
Nah, B, let's do it. Okay, join. Okay, dito. Okay, ta.
Ano nga po sa Mongan 2000?
Ah. Okay, here. Let's go.
Ay na guys, join kayo. Join kayo. Hindi ka ma-join?
3, 2,
So sad.
Saddest game. Okay. Okay, we are playing Don't Be Scared. Oh shit, my recording may be silent. But we can do it.
Silent?
Yes, my recording.
Welcome to our hotel.
Skip.
We have
Skip.
prepared a suite for you.
Skip.
Rest to your heart's content. Make sure the hotel has a strict no refund policy under any circumstances.
Okay. You open it.
Ano? Ano letter?
Okay. Hotel safety rules. Read before sleeping. Bathroom monster. Never sleep alone. Let a guest into your room first. Door knocker. Not every knock is human. Check the visitor before opening. Window secret. Here's something outside. Check the window. Stay alert. The hotel's never safe.
Hey, it's the front desk. You read that paper I left?
Yes.
So, keep your door locked tonight, yeah?
What if I
Somebody's
don't?
gonna knock.
Lock
Don't
me?
open it. Just take a peek first.
Ah!
Camera, whatever.
Oh,
If they're talking weird, that ain't a person. Trust me.
may pupay.
So yeah, don't let them in. Just
Oh,
check.
sino nang voice recorder, man?
Oh, and keep the curtain closed.
The frick?
If the window starts tapping, go check it. Quick though, don't take your time. If power cuts out, get to the breaker and flip it. Fast.
Balande, kuya.
One more thing. Don't ever sleep alone. There's something in that bathroom. Wait for the others. Sleep together. It won't touch a full room. Stay in your room. Don't die. You'll be fine.
Why are we in
Probably.
here?
Anyway, sleep tight. Kinda hope I see you in the morning.
You won't.
Di man si R. Kung yung si R lang ko din. Ah! Wala.
Bold blue. Close the door.
Sino to?
Sleep, okay. Oh, there's someone sleeping here. Let's sleep, go. Sleep! Day one, guys. Day one. I'm not sure if they can hear me or my...
Tangina.
The frick are you looking at?
Pila to say days.
As long... Oh, sorry.
Ay, ako tangina.
Oh. Shut up, bro.
Your still here. Wow. Okay. That's great. Most folks don't make it past the first night. Good for you. So, look, same deal as last night. Door stayed shut. Don't believe anybody out there. It gets worse the longer you stay. Just so you know.
Why are we here? Ooh.
But hey, you
Not
already
for
know that, don't you?
hiding.
Anyway, I'm not gonna lie to you and say it'll be fine. But good luck tonight. Really. I mean it.
Yan pa na siya sa basura. Ayan. The glass open.
Oh.
Balong. Mama mo blue. Yeah.
Wait in.
Oh, let F.
Pasulod, pasulod. Oh, pasulod. Ay, hindi.
Parang close na doon.
Slip na, slip.
Ayun na, go.
Sige. We hide. Oh, it's money.
Dennis na yan. Okay. Bisa ka ba doon?
Ikaw check, ako ma-check sa camera.
Ben.
Oh, shit. Ano yung pindot mo? Ano yung pindot mo?
Pick.
Muna lang.
Ano ko? Reformer.
Check the way. Open the door. Take the risk. Take the risk!
Ikaw.
Oh, shit, may spider. Maging tama. Spider.
Ikaw.
Sleep na. Sleep.
Ikaw ba ko ba?
What the fuck?
Day 4 na to.
Oh, si G.
Ano ko? Ben, doon yan na. Ano yung juice na to?
Ano eh?
Ano to?
Lucid dream. Mapili. Dati kung mapili to sa may side effects. Maybe. Oh, shit, guys. We are cooked.
Ben, kauna mo to. Tug kami.
Wait. Record kami. Wait lang.
Record kami na. Ah!
Close mo na. It's gonna close on itself. Ikaw check. O check sa window.
Ano? Ano ka?
Lock the door.
You're not safe?
Ang ubot. Shit.
Ano to?
Ikaw na yun.
Ano ka pa? Ikaw naman di ako ma-check.
The frick.
There's something on the door.
Ako, ikaw da. Ako di.
Ganun ako buli. So yes or no?
see. Are we cook or not? Whew. Right. We okay. Let's go. What the frick?
Okay, this baby. If my heart is beating so fast. Ako naman yung matik.
Bulas ta.
Ay.
Ay! Sige! Ay!
Wala ka na hide? Wala ka na hide?
Ay, di. Puti nga mata ba ko?
Wala ka na hide? Ako, wala akong galing hide.
Ikaw wala na hay.
Hey, are you still alive? I was a little bit worried when I saw it on camera. Show up.
RIP na lang. Napanik ko! Grabe ako singgit! Sakit.
Bit.
Grabe na singgit ko.
Desk here. I just saw the anomaly at the window. It's heading your way. Keep an eye out.
Bata.
Alright guys, that's it. We got scared. Bye bye.
Bye.